Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to open Monzo bank account in UK. First thing you should do is simply go to monzo.com. Then once you open this page, you should now go to this menu on the top right corner. Just click on it. Then here it will show you these options. You have to scroll down till you find the sign up button right here. Click on it. And after that, it will ask you to enter your email address. Enter it, then click on next. And after that, they'll ask you to do some steps and download the application. So you'll have to download it. When you click on download, it will redirect you to this page. Now you have to click on install or download, and after that open the application on your phone. You will have to choose this option, I'm new to Monzo. Tap on it. Then here you will have to enter your email address, then click on next, and here they will ask you to check your email. They will send you a verification code through your email, and after that you'll have to fill in some information about yourself. So now here I will go to the Gmail and check the email that they have sent me, then click on login into Monzo app, and after that it will show you this page. You'll just have to click on next. Then you'll have to choose the type of account that you want to have. Is it a personal account, joint account, or business account? Choose any option, then click on next, and after that you'll have to enter your full name, enter your date of birth, home postcode, country of residency, and the address and details. And after that you'll have to enter the mobile number. They will send you a verification code to the phone number as an SMS. You'll just have to click on yes please right here. Then they will send you the verification code and you can simply verify. After that we'll show you this page, then click on get started. Then here they will ask you some questions. You have to answer them all, and after that they will ask you for verification for your identity. So when you click on get started, they will ask you if you want to use an ID, a passport, driving license, etc. Then after that they will ask you to record a short video of yourself. You'll just have to click on I'm ready and record a video of yourself. And after that, they'll ask you this question. Do you have a citizenship or tax residency outside the UK? You will answer this question honestly by yes or no. Then you'll have to do some agreements on their terms and conditions. And finally, it will show you this page. It says that the verification process may take from 5 minutes up to 48 hours. And once you finish the verification, your account will be ready to go. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.